This Etsy shop made $3,961 in under 3 months by selling digital products. This is not the only one. Search digital art. You will find so many Etsy sellers do it. Like this one, this one, this one, and this one. This isn't luck. It's a real chance for making money. They're earning millions with these motivational videos without needing to show their face or actual products. So we studied these pages and formulated a step-by-step process to help you create videos like these and get similar results just by 2 simple AI tools. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. Step 1 is get your digital art product. This is the basis to start your own store. For this, we are going to use Midjourney, which is completely free to use and can help you generate unlimited viral images as digital product. Start by logging into your account, and then you can turn your idea into art. Note here that how you write your prompt massively drives the quality of your digital product quality, therefore the success of your business. I discovered a website where you can explore various gallery styles. This way, you can find the one you like and create content that's similar to it. Now it's time to create your Etsy listing. You can save this content in Google Cloud, making it available for later use. The power of motivational and attractive images cannot be overstated, as they immediately capture your audience's attention. When you're creating your listing, you'll notice that Etsy's official recommendations indicate that videos can result in twice as many orders. Just like the aforementioned Etsy store, when you hover over a product, a video will play and entice your customers. To get started, let's head over to BoolVideo. Simply log into your account and navigate to the AI video creator.
Before making a video, let's take another look at Etsy seller videos. Oh, just some simple camera movements. Very easy to make. Save the seller's photos, then go back to the AI video creator interface. Upload the photos, then select the product goal, select the ratio, and let the magic begin. Not only camera movements, there's also music and cool split screens. Let's watch 2 more. Wow, I love this 3-way split screen. So cool. Next one? Wow, I really like the music in this one. If you want to see more AI-generated videos, click Regenerate and try this one. The music in this is so ethnic. Let's use this video as a template for the Etsy seller video. Click Edit to enter BoolVideo's editor. The entire video script is in there. Use keyframes to create camera movements. The video intro already has a keyframe. Just need to add 1 more for the camera movement. Then enlarge the video to achieve the zoom effect. Next, just delete the original images in the 2-way split screen and upload new media, add 2 keyframes, then delete excess parts. The next one already has 1 keyframe, so add another for the zoom effect. Keep doing the same for the rest, and an Etsy video is done.
And with that, your video is basically done. Let's export it. We suggest exporting in 1080p for the best results. If at any point during the video you face any issues, click on the BoolVideo icon to return to the features page, then click on the chat icon to talk to our 24/7 support team. Alternatively, you can visit our library of YouTube tutorials on how to use BoolVideo. Now, once your video is exported, you can upload it to Etsy listing and also share it on social media. Keep in mind that you need to be regular with your Etsy listing. Start with the cadence that you can maintain and then gradually build it up.